Hey friends, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. Well, Boxyluxe unboxing because that's what I subscribe to. And today's BoxyCharm, they are calling it the BoxyCharm Getaway, where you can take it when you go away, right? So in this BoxyCharm Getaway, it comes with a hair dryer, and this is the first time I'm opening it, so I don't know what color I got. And it is purple! Purple's supposed to be my lucky color. At least that's what it says in like the Chinese horoscope. Is it a horoscope? And it comes with this little attachment, which is really nice. This is really good for traveling. And next we have the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Instant lasting volume and texture. You're supposed to put this to add texture in your hair, which I'm not going to do right now because I have a bun on, a frizzy looking bun. Next thing we have is Truffle Therapy from Skin & Co, and this is illuminating skin mist. Is it supposed to be on your face or just on your body? Okay, so I thought this was a like skin mist to make yourself look shiny, but it's actually like a setting spray, and it's a dewy one. I'm not one for the dew, but I'll do it. Next thing we have is this Clean Biotic pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. I'm gonna try that later. And the next one we have is this Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum from Pharmacy. Pharmacy has really good products. Like, I really love them. I'm actually using their night cream right now, and I really like the cleansing balm, which I need to get more of because I don't have any more, which I also got in a BoxyCharm. How amazing is that, right? This is a night serum. I don't know, but for whatever reason, every time I use a night serum, I just tend to break out. I don't know what it is, so I don't use them very often. So I'm gonna have to try this tonight and see what it does to my skin. If it breaks me out, then I'm probably just gonna have to give it away. For makeup stuffs, we have the No Problem Prime Essence, and I really love the Touch and Soul primer that we also got in the BoxyCharm. I was gonna get that one again, but I have so much primers right now that I'm testing, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that. We have the Dominic Cosmetic Lip Gloss in Lemonade. Ooh, look how pretty her packaging is. Like, it's so like sleek and pink and pretty, and that's what it looks like right there. I think you could see it in the camera, but it's so beautiful. It smells like delicious. Like, I just want to eat it. Now we have this Trace mascara, which is interesting because, oh, it's like a 2-in-1. It has a curler and a mascara. I don't really curl my lashes because they're already pretty curled, but I'll try it. Then we have the Tarteist Pro Glow 3. Ooh, very pretty. So this is what she looks like. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to prime my face with the No Problem primer. I don't know if I'm gonna like this as much as the other one. I like pore filling primers a lot, but this one, I don't know what it's supposed to really do. But it's on our face, and we're just gonna move on. So I'm gonna put on some foundation, cause I need some foundation. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll come back when I'm gonna use the rest of the products in box. So we got our base on. It didn't come with eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna try to use the Tarteist Pro to make an eye look. I'm gonna go in with this bronze shade, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade and put it all over my lid. Then I'm gonna go in with this darker brown shade. I'm just gonna focus that on the outside. Okay, so we got a little eye look going. I'm gonna just put on some eyeliner because your girl needs eyeliner as always. All right, that was nice and easy. So I'm going to take this pinkish highlighter shade and I'm just going to put that in my inner corner. With a little pencil brush, I'm going to go in with this bronzing shade and I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line. So for the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush, and then with the bronzer, I'm going to just bronze my face. And with a smaller brush, I'm going to contour my nose with the same shade. For blush, I'm going to be using both of them. So with the highlighter brush, I'm just going to go in with this champagne-y shade, and I'm going to highlight. Ooh. That's pretty nice. This is like perfect for traveling because it has your bronzer, it has your blush, it has your highlight. Okay, now I'm gonna set my face with this dewy skin mist. We shall see how it looks. It smells like peppermint. For a dewy skin mist, it doesn't seem like I'm that dewy, so I'm kind of digging it. So now we're gonna do the lashes. Okay, this mascara is actually really nice. It's making my eyelashes look fuller. Oh, I forgot to do my lips. I'm gonna do that right now. Ooh, my lips look so juicy. Hey guys, so this is the final look that I came up with this month's Boxyluxe, and all in all, I think everything was amazing and fantastic. I don't know what this primer is really supposed to do, but my makeup looks pretty good, right? And this Tarte one is definitely a win for me because it has everything you could ever need. Well, not everything, but like it's for your face essentials, you know? And I was even able to make an eye look out of it. This lip gloss is really good. I think this would also be good as a topper by itself. It looks pretty good. In my opinion, so this one's also a win. All the other skincare I'm gonna have to try later on, and I'll update you guys about it. So I calculated everything, and this month's Boxyluxe is worth $351 doll hairs. That's a lot of money, okay? And you only pay like, I think it's $50 for the box. So I feel like that's an amazing deal. For a girl that loves makeup and you're on a budget, this is for you. Okay, I'm just saying. You get to try a lot of new stuff and they're freaking amazing. Everything is full size and it has a lot of amazing brands. So yeah, I am so happy with this month's box and how my look turned out. Hopefully you did too. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. And please don't forget to like, and I do post every Wednesday and Sunday, so don't forget to subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Bye, have a wonderful weekend or day, whatever it is that you're doing.